the oldest young fool broke one into two and started to unglue as he watched it come true. I was dreaming of home and the faces I knew, so I went back to the pool with someone I knew. It's hard to take when you're out of time, and the fool who'll taste water in the finest wine, and your feet won't stop on the path you'll take. There's nothing you can do. And the devil just smiles. You were gone for a while, but now I've come to take you home. Your chances are blown. Simple and pure was the girl that I saw, a taste of heaven on her tongue, and her eyes said go on. But it's hard to take, and it's just the start of a broken heart that fools you to that stupid place where you sit and wait till you fall apart and lie there feeling blue. So the oldest young fool broke one into two, and now we'll either break or bend. I know in the end it was wonderful. Oh, I love those eyes, though I make them cry, and it feels like it's impossible, but we're